In this video, I'll show you how to add Discord server template title. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what we're going to do right now, you're going over to your Discord, right? You're going to click here. You're going to click on the server settings. Now, for you to be able to do this, what you're going to do basically now, you're going to click on this server template, right? Now, if you want to add the server template title, you can come on here. That is, who is the server for, right? You can come on here. It would be I can type in educational community, right? Educational community. So I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna click on the create template, right? Once I've created the template, you can see that you have already just added a template to your Discord server, a template title. If you find this video helpful, share it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.